Hey, so what's up guys? So today I'm back with another video that will help you learn more about investing and learn about where you can find the best investments for yourself. So this is video, I think, number 4. And today I want to talk to you guys about index funds. Now, index funds can be exchange traded funds or mutual funds. In particular, for this video, I like to stick with exchange traded funds. I like those better. So in this video, keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so you're encouraged to do your own research and not just take my word for it, so that you can find the best stocks and best investments for yourself. So index fund, what is an index fund? You're typically familiar with what an index fund is if you know what a 401k is, because the 401k is comprised of different funds and etc., different stocks, and so are index funds. So like I said, index funds are also mutual funds and ETFs. So for the sake of this video, I'll be referencing the funds as ETFs, which stands for exchange traded funds. And so basically these funds are made up of tons of stocks or tons of treasury notes, different investments that are comprised into one that, to give the best result. Now, these funds may actually be the best funds for you to invest in if you are new to investing. Now, the reason for this is because the funds actually cover a specific area. So you're not just dealing with just one stock, whereas one stock can go up and down and directly affect your money. But when you have a fund, then basically if one stock goes down, but you got 30, 40, 50 other stocks that are that also make up that fund, it kind of helps hedge against the loss. So for a new beginner that's starting to invest, finding a fund can be relatively easy. Now, there are a few things you want to look at with the fund that you could be interested in. You want to look at their performance. You want to look at the yield that they have, which means how much money is that fund paying out per year on top of whatever investment is that you have. Things like that, just so you can get a gauge of how that fund is actually performing and what it can do for your money. So it's a fairly simple concept of investing in funds. Now, the catch with funds is sometimes the funds are not necessarily, $5 or $10 to invest in. Sometimes they're $50, $100, $200 to invest in. So if you're just now starting to invest, you don't have that money to put into a fund, then there are ways that you can still invest in the fund with whatever money you have. Using companies like M1 Finance, Stockpile, using Stash app, using Acorns, they'll actually allow you to invest into these companies, to stocks, funds, etc., with whatever money is that you have. And in particular, M1 Finance itself, it actually kind of allows you to create your own fund of stocks. So that's pretty cool. So those are 4 that you would want to look into to where you can actually, start investing in these funds. And I also actually did a video of Acorn, just breaking down exactly what funds are in Acorn and what you would be investing in when you would invest in each fund. And I can put that link for that video below or put a card up here. But now, how do you find these funds? It's simple. You go to Google and you type in ETFs or type in index funds. You can type in a list of funds or whatever company you may be using that you're investing with. They may also have a list of funds within itself. But investing in index funds is definitely a much easier and much safer way to invest your money when you're first getting started. And even if you've been investing for a while, it's a good place to put your money. It's also a good place to invest, your kids' money, like if you're trying to start some type of college IRA for them or some type of, brokerage account for them. Or even if you're just trying to start, in a retirement account for yourself, in an IRA, putting your money into funds definitely helps with your growth and longevity of your investment. So guys, I hope that is fairly simple. I hope I was able to help you learn something else that you can use now to research and to be able to find different ways that you can invest to help you get going, or if you're already going, to help you become a better investor. Because see, so many times we're looking for the extravagant, and a lot of times the success is found right in the simple and the simplicity of just doing a few things very well. So until the next video, guys, as always, peace. Y'all be blessed.